in this video of computer this video of computer networks. In this video I am going to talk about subnet. So what basically subnet is used for? While we are given a single network, so we can divide it in many networks to use it differently. As suppose we have given a IP, means IP as 192.168.10.0. So this IP has been given to us. So we know that it has 253 more IP to be generated that we can use, that is known as usable IP. So in this IP all will be connected. So in the case we want to create two other networks from this IP, we want to divide this IP. So here in this case subnetting comes. So with the help of this Cisco packet tracer I am going to demonstrate that how subnetting work. So firstly we'll set some PCs and laptop server here, and one switch I used. This is a local area network that I found, and this side also the same network. What we are given as IP is 192.168.10, and that IP I am dividing it in the two parts. So one part of the IP means that network I am giving to this local area network, and one part I am giving to this area network. So what we are going to do is this is class C. So three parties of network and one part is of the host. So from the host portion I am taking one bit as in the network portion, and I am able to generate two IPs, that is of size 128 and 128. So from 0 to 127 will be the first network, and from 127 to 285 it will be a second network. So from the first network I am assigning some of the IPs to these PCs and laptop servers, and from the second part of the network the IP which I am assigning, that is, we can see it here, is 129, and this will be 130, and this is 135, and here I am starting from 1. As we know that 0 is the network address, so that we can't assign, and 128 will be the broadcast address, that also we can't assign. And as we all know that router needs two different network to be connected, it cannot be connected to a single network. So to communicate this local area network to this local area network, we have to, it should be connected in a same network, but as we have divided the IP in two networks, so these two local area network will not be able to communicate between each other. So for coming up that issue, we are going to give a default gateway. This default gateway is a thing which, if the packet is not getting anywhere where to go, not able to check out the IP which we are giving it to go to in the same network, so it will get a default gateway network. In that path it will go and it will reach the second network. So we are giving everywhere this gateway is known as default gateway. We can check it here, IP in C. We are giving a default gateway, means it should pass through it, and it will be passing to the second network. So means all our wires are connected properly. This green is signal, and this port is connected to the fast Ethernet 00, and this is connected to 01. So I will try to send a packet. So first I will send the 68.10.4. Or we can give pinging. Again we have to give wait. I have to give it. Wait. I'll do it again. In that I given the IP of router ping 192.110.3. As you can see, is here, so it should be reply is coming. We can check it here. Now we'll try to ping a system of different network, that is 192.168.10.129, and we are getting reply. So we can conclude that from one IP we can create many number of IP, and we can divide into some networks also. This is known as subnetting. Thank you for watching.